Hi and welcome to our first IELTS Listening Part 1 practice test. In this video, you'll encounter a series of everyday situations: booking a doctor's appointment, enrolling in a community center course, and making a hotel reservation. Please remember, you will hear each recording only once, and you must write your answers as you listen. Be sure to stay focused, follow each instruction carefully, and keep your spelling precise in British English. Let's begin.
Good morning, Dr. Park's surgery. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to book an appointment to see the doctor.
Certainly. Which date would you prefer?
Monday, the 12th of April, please.
Right, is there a time that suits you?
Yes, 10:30 in the morning, if that's available.
Let me check. Yes, we have 10:30 am free on the 12th. Shall I book that?
That would be perfect, thanks.
Would you like to see Dr. Smith or Dr. Jones?
Is Dr. Smith available on that date?
Yes, Dr. Smith has an opening at 10:30 am.
Great. I'll take that, then.
Good afternoon, Riverside Community Center. How may I help you?
Hello, I'm interested in enrolling in one of your courses.
Certainly. Which course are you interested in?
I'm looking at your photography basics course.
The Photography Basics course runs for 6 weeks. The total fee is £120.
Is that for the whole course?
Yes, £120 covers all sessions. This course meets once a week for 6 weeks, every Tuesday evening.
Tuesday evenings are fine. Thank you. Good evening, Seaview Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Certainly. For how many nights?
3 nights, from Friday the 20th to Monday the 23rd.
And what type of room would you prefer?
A double room with a sea view, if possible.
We have one available. Would you like breakfast included in your stay?
Yes, please, breakfast included.
Any other special requests?
A non-smoking room, please, if that's available.
Be sure to review your answers and note any areas where you hesitated or made mistakes. This is where real improvement happens. In our next video, we'll tackle a slightly more challenging set of Part 1 questions. Until next time.